Today, we will be sharing information about Mass Insight's AP OnTrack framework. This is one of 3 tools we have recently developed to support schools and districts in their efforts to make AP programs more equitable. The AP OnTrack framework provides a roadmap for both academic and non-academic learning and experiences that are essential to succeed in an AP class. This framework can help teachers navigate the holistic needs of students and identify supports that they can proactively put in place to improve their chances of success, particularly those who have been underrepresented in advanced placement classes. This OnTrack framework was developed in collaboration with AP and non-AP educators, researchers, and administrators. We wanted to determine the make it or break it points during the school year for student engagement and persistence. The 4 critical periods of the AP OnTrack framework are Strong Start, Keeping Up, Midterm Reset, and Exam Prep. During the Strong Start period, there should be a concerted effort to onboard students so that they can feel connected, informed, and empowered to tackle the challenge of an AP class. Here, students need to make quick gains so they can build up their confidence and nurture a sense of belonging, feeling that they are part of a group that will be together supporting each other to succeed through AP. Next is Keeping Up. This is the pre-holiday time when students are dealing with many competing priorities. Students need a strong support network of adults and peers in the classroom so that they can collaboratively address the rigor and challenges of AP. This is also an important time to nurture a growth mindset and allow students to develop agency over their learning. The midterm reset begins after students return from their holiday break. Here, we identified that it is fundamental to reset, to reteach concepts where they may not be as strong, to reconnect students with their community and their peers, and to reconnect with the purpose of being in an AP class. The last critical period is exam preparation. This comes when students are getting ready to take the exam. At this time of year, students may experience high levels of anxiety and will need help to practice stress management and to repurpose their energy into preparing for the exam. The experiences in the OnTrack framework are organized into 5 different domains for each critical period: mindsets, student voice and agency, classroom community and culture, AP skill building, and feedback and grading. For each of these 5 domains across all critical periods, we list a series of experiences you can provide to significantly increase opportunities for success for your students. As an example, let's focus on student voice and agency in the Strong Start period. Here are some different experiences that you can provide to your students. When you click on an experience, it will lead you to a more detailed description and specific classroom-level strategies that will help you enact this experience for your students. When you click on one of these, you will find a detailed description of that strategy as well as steps to implement it. These are part of our classroom strategies for AP success, which is another one of our 3 equity building tools. We believe that using this tool will take you one step closer to ensuring that all of your students, particularly those who have been historically marginalized and underrepresented in AP classes, have better opportunities to access and to succeed in your AP program.